So the first thing we're going to do is grab our stencil and find a circle that is not too big, not too small. We're going to position it on our paper and we're going to grab our pencil. We are going to then trace the first one, trace the second one, and trace the third one. As we know, there are 3 primary colors, which are going to be yellow, red, and blue. So we are going to have 3 circles. We're going to grab a pen or a marker and write down primary colors. We are going to then grab our yellow pencil and quickly color in our first circle. Make sure you color it nicely and that you stay inside of the lines. We are going to then grab a red pencil and fill in the second circle. Make sure that we cannot see the paper underneath, so layer up that color. And lastly, we are going to color in the blue one, which is our last primary color. We are going to then grab our stencil again and use the same circle to draw 3 more circles right under the previous one. These are going to be for our secondary colors. Our secondary colors are going to be purple, green, and orange, which are complementary to the colors right above them. So the purple is going to be complementary to the yellow. The green is going to be the complementary color for the red, and the orange is going to be the one for the blue. Make sure you also write down secondary colors right next to it. We will then start coloring in our secondary color, which are complementary to the one above. So here I started with the orange, which is complementary to the blue. You can start from whichever one you want. I then grabbed my green pencil and started filling in the green circle, which is going to be complementary to the red one, which is going to be right above it. And lastly, I am going to work on the purple circle, which is going to be right below the yellow one, which are complementary to each other. I then grabbed my pen again and drew an arrow from the top towards the bottom circles and wrote down complementary colors right next to it, just to remind myself. This is going to be the end of the first part of our color study. Check out part 2 to keep going.